Hello, friends! I'm Dala. Welcome to the Tiny Seasons Club. Today we're going to discover spring. Spring is a fresh and colorful season. The weather gets warmer, the snow melts away, and the grass starts to turn green again. Flowers begin to bloom everywhere. Tulips, daffodils, and many other beautiful flowers open up to the sunshine. Trees wake up from their winter rest. Tiny buds grow into fresh green leaves. Spring often brings rain showers, and when the sun shines after the rain, we can sometimes see a beautiful rainbow in the sky. Spring is full of color. Fresh green grass grows everywhere. Bright flowers bloom in many different colors. And the sky is a beautiful blue. Spring is full of new life. Tiny lambs and fuzzy baby chicks appear in the meadows. Little bunnies hop through the fresh grass. Butterflies flutter in the warm air. Birds sing cheerful songs. And even the sleepy bear wakes up from its long winter rest. In spring, we love spending more time outside. We can walk through nature, ride our bikes, have a little picnic, and enjoy the warm sunshine. During the spring season, people in many countries around the world celebrate Easter. With colorful eggs, the cheerful Easter bunny, joyful traditions, and special family time. That was a tiny peek into the beauty of spring. Stay with us this season, and let's discover even more together.